Now, begin by sectioning off your face framing pieces on both sides. Gather all of the hair from your temple to the back of your part. And join both your sections together at the back. Next, tightly secure your sections together just below your crown. Gather all that remaining hair at the side, making sure to leave some down at your neck like this, and then repeat on the right side. Once you have your sections, secure them together just below your previous elastic. Just gather all of your hair into a low ponytail at the nape of your neck. Now, holding it in your left hand, grab from underneath with your right hand, and then begin tightly twisting your ponytail clockwise. And once you feel the base getting tight, bring your ponytail underneath to the left, and this creates a bun shape. And then secure your twist with your favorite claw clip.
When the walls weren't closing in like they are now, 'cause it's been too many years since California. I wish I could get there, I don't know how. See, one day I'm gonna reach ya, take a plane for many miles. We pretend that time didn't pass us by when we're on Mulholland Drive. I know it won't be long before we're done. Gotta be patient for a while. Someday we'll look at stars in the same sky. When I'm on the other side.
Shine bright up all night, we're never slowing down. Fall in love, drunk mistakes, we're bound to hit the ground. Gotta keep this feeling, keep on breathing, even if we're slipping away. So I close my eyes and lose myself now, do it like it's only today. We got a party for a lifetime. No, we ain't stopping for the sunrise. And we don't care about the bad nights. And for a second I can feel like this. Make me feel like this. We got a party for a lifetime. No, we ain't stopping for the sunrise. And we don't care about the bad nights. And for a second I can feel like this. Make me feel like this. Young blood made of gold, a mind you can't control. Running wild, can't calm down. My head is in the clouds. Gotta keep this feeling, keep